Here's how to fix YouTube error 153, video player configuration error. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Third-Party Cookies, then See All Site Data and Permissions. Type YouTube into the search bar and clear all YouTube cache files. Also search for and clear the cache of any other site where you encountered this error. Corrupted video player cache is the most common cause of error 153, and clearing it resolves it instantly for most users. Next, go to Extensions and turn off all your active extensions. Ad blockers and video enhancement extensions in particular are known to interfere with YouTube's video player configuration. Toggle them off and refresh YouTube to test. If the error continues, try a different browser. Firefox, Edge, or Brave will tell you immediately whether the problem is Chrome-specific or something deeper. If YouTube plays correctly in another browser, the issue is within Chrome's configuration. Consider clearing all Chrome cache under Privacy and Security, then Delete Browsing Data, or doing a Chrome reset under Settings, then Reset Settings. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step-by-Click.